man has a chip on his shoulder, a woman is nursing a grudge. The tempers are starting to smolder, the people are hasty to judge. Each one is demanding his rights now, to more of the fat of the land. With verbal and physical fights now, the kingdom of noise is at hand. That kingdom is noise, but not joyful noise. But Satan enjoys only that which destroys. Dear girls and boys, recover your poise and do not be part of the kingdom of noise. You know how the clamorous legions will shout till they wear out their jaws for Artemis of the Ephesians or some other unworthy cause. When people are given to scowling and making a fist of a hand, what wonder if soon they are howling, the kingdom of noise is at hand. That kingdom is noise, but not joyful noise. For Satan enjoys only that which destroys. Two girls and boys, recover your poise and do not be part of the kingdom of noise. Now God recommends peace and quiet in which to discover His grace. You'll hardly find God in a riot, you'll mainly get punched in the face. But love always looks out of season to those under Satan's command. When people won't listen to reason, the kingdom of noise is at hand. That kingdom is noise, but not joyful noise. For Satan enjoys only that which destroys. Two girls and boys, recover your poise and do not be part of the kingdom of noise. Jesus will silence the kingdom